Welcome back to Holla Boys YouTube channel. Today is a little bit of a shorter one. It's going to be taking the alternator off this 4Runner. There's the alternator. I'll be moving the pipes first so that way it's get out easier. I am wrecking this car, so I'm not going to be putting it back together. Obviously, if you pull it, you need to replace it. You'll have to put it back together, but I don't need to, so I'm just going to take these pipes off. I'm also going to take the distributor cap off. So how to take it off is there's two plugs here, the positive and the power, and then 14mm bolt there, and a 12mm bolts just under there, if you can see. Right there. Take those off. Well, I loosen them to take the belt off, and then fully undo them. And then there's one more bolt underneath. I'll show you once I get to it. So here, hold.
Work a bit better.
Take the whole thing out. So there's one bolt in the just there, goes into this bracket here, and takes the whole shaft out. Alright, so now we get to this. We get down in there. That might be a 13mm bolt. So this bolt down here is a 1/2. I don't know if they're supposed to be, but my one happens to be a 1/2. So luckily I do have some Imperial tools. I don't have many, as a lot of my cars don't require Imperial tools. But I do have some. So now that I've loosened it, I'll be loosening up this one, which by the looks of it is another Imperial. Oh no, I grabbed a 13. It's supposed to be a 14. Yeah, it is. It's a 14. Nice. Alright, now that they're loose, you should be able to pull that in a little bit and take the belt off. So now that that's off, come around here to the side of me. There is a 10mm bolt there and a power cord here. He does want the power cord. And the power cord, if you face down here quickly, you know, I'll take it quickly. The power cord goes all the way through. So I will be cutting this off. Obviously, if you're replacing your alternator, you won't be cutting it off, but he wants to rewire it. I can't pull the whole wiring loom out. So I'll be cutting it around here where this switch is. So obviously, if you're replacing your alternator, you'll be taking this out, which you have to get from underneath it. There's a little clip, and pull that out. So I won't show you the cutting of the wire because you're really not supposed to be cutting it, but he wants the wiring loom out of it as well. He wants to rewire it. Alright, now that I've cut it, obviously again do not cut it. If you are replacing the alternator, he will be rewiring it. He told me that he wants it like that. So, and I'm just wrecking this car. This car will not be put back together. So now I just take the 2 bolts out. One bolt. Shaft bolt. Pull it forward. And out. Come on, and out. And out. That's all you have to do. So pretty much just 2 bolts holding it and your cords. That's it. Thank you very much.